first 6.
Fucking good job.
Miata Chronicles continue. Shout out to Ray at 1K. I got my exhaust leaks fixed, but you good? The suspension bolts continue to be the bane of my existence.
Fuck this car.
You the one who
Fuck
got me.
that car.
You the one who got me into this shit.
Fuck them all. Fuck the blue one in the yard. Damn it. Why the fuck did I get in there?
I wouldn't be dealing with this shit had you not called me. John, you want a $600 Miata? The answer is no from now. Why did the other side take us 2.5, 3 hours, and this side took us 15 minutes?
One damn truck.
15 minutes this side took us.
Where is
That damn side.
Finally done.
Look at this.
4 shocks.
Finally got this shit done. It's 8 o'clock, 8:30?
Probably.
I started working on this at like, I left the house at 9, 10 a.m. Got a flat tire on the highway on the way here. Had to stop at a tire shop, get 2 front tires put on. Went down to 1K. Shout out to Ray at 1K. Like always, coming through clutch. Years ago, he put in a BMW motor for like just a hookup and got it done in like 3 days. Ray, 1K, that's the dude. And man, but let me tell you, hours. It took that front left shock about 4 hours, and then the others we did in like an hour and a half. Irritated. So,
All done.
Miata Chronicles.